What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. This is my brother right here, behind, right? Yeah, and over there is just our brother on the phone call, and we're going to be building this bad boy right here.
Yep.
All right, let's. Hey, careful the knife. Oh no! We have to like. No. Okay. Oh right, I was gonna play some music. Some Iron Man.
No,
music.
oh, gosh dang it. Why you have to play some Iron Man music? Come on.
It's Iron Man, Hall of Armor. So.
You won't hear me.
Well, turn it down then.
No. Okay, turn it down at least all the way to 12.
And,
It's not at 12, it's at 24.
well, I gotta make sure I turn.
I see that? That's so loud.
How is it so loud, dude?
There's 12. I told you, guys. I told you.
Man, it's burning up.
Okay,
let's
fine.
do this.
Oh, this is the stickers, I think.
I'll do the stickers now. Oh, this
Yeah,
is
since I suck. Okay, wait.
Oh, wait.
Back one.
Alright, we're building this together. Right. Organize. Righty.
Okay, Dave, you look at the instructions. I'll build the Lego.
Alright, let's tag them.
Oh, that's the bad guy.
Okay, we might have to turn it down. No, in case for copyright. This could get copyright. Alright, get all the pieces. Don't want to. Ooh, Iron Man.
Okay.
Alright, let's do this. Iron Man, baby. Alright, where's the helmet? Oh, of course you have the helmet. You have the flipping helmet.
I said you build. I build the Lego guys.
Alright. Oh, you built the Lego guys. Alright, we got, what are these called again? Oh.
Just in case.
Outriders.
Guys, if we lose this helmet, we have another one.
Oh, except it's sort of different. Oh, ads, really?
But, guys, it's the same thing.
Okay, where's the stupid piece?
This guy.
Where's the stupid piece? Oh, there it is. That was hard to find.
Okay.
I need to see two. I need to see two. I might have to stop recording this in the middle of the building because this video on the Chromebook has like 45, only records till 45 minutes long. Oh, this ad really ads. You're gonna do this to me? No, that's not right. That's not right either. This one's right.
Where is
Wait a minute, I can't see. Oh, actually, I just thought of something. What if we put it in front of us? Why didn't I not thought of that? Alrighty. Let's just crisscross that, maybe.
Is that in like the
Okay, skip ad for the love of it.
Guys, are you sure this music is okay? Because it sounds like it's bad.
I've played this many times unless, I don't know. Okay, where's the piece? Where's the piece? Where's that? Oh, this is gonna be difficult, guys.
Wait. Aha!
Oh, dang it.
Ah!
I found it. Wait, just give me a minute. You have to follow step by step. Let's put this knife. Okay. Wait a minute. Are you sure you got it right?
Yes.
No, dude. Let me see, dude. I need to be sure. Let me see. I can't see. Okay, just making sure. Oh man, it's so good building Legos again. I've missed building Legos. Alright, where's that? Where's that weird piece? Holy. Okay, I hate my hair. I need a haircut so bad. Are you sure you're... Oh, I see who we're building. We're building that dummy. It's called... No, Tony calls it the dummy. Like, it's a dummy droid or something. Oh, there it is. Found it. Call Debs. All dips.
I don't care.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't
I
care.
know.
And why do I keep saying I don't care? That's just okay. Give me the thing. Give me the thing. Let me think. Let me say. Let me say. Let me say. Are you sure you're doing it right? Are you sure you're doing it right? Right.
I am. See.
Look at the things. I think we need like. You got like. Did you put like blue things in the? Yeah, you got them wrong. D.
Oh. That's terrible.
Look, you see, you see these blue things. This is why you should have let me build up. Okay.
Oh!
D.
I couldn't see because the sun.
See, big brain, big. Oh, I thought you.
Yes, the eyes is because of the sun.
All right,
don't really
all right,
see
all right, all right. Hand it to me so I can build.
No, I didn't.
Mighty bird, ba-dee-dee-dee, ba-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Alright. Okay, where's that weird looking piece? Oh, there it is. Oh, these little black pieces are for those droid arms in Clone Wars. You know, with those battle droids.
Yes, I know. I watched it.
Are you sure? You've seen like some of the, not the entire series, just some of the episodes.
No.
Clone Wars is the best show ever. So damn good. Are you sure you can? Can I just give it to me to make sure I got it right? I want to make sure I got it right. Oh, I remember this guy from Iron Man 3. I had an Iron Man 3 Lego set. I miss it. Let me see.
It is right. It is right.
Alright, then put it over here. What is it?
Oh, wait. The most easiest parts.
Alright.
Oh.
Alright, you know what? This page is my turn. Next page will be your turn.
We just moved to it together. How about this?
I mean, we have built a Lego set before together. It was one of the Avengers Endgame sets that I got for my birthday last year. And oh, you got the piece! I was looking for that. I'm like, where the heck is this piece? We gotta do this quick. We're on the time lapse, right? Oh, 7 minutes long. Yeah, this video is gonna be so freaking long. We gotta do this quick. You're going super slow.
Super slow.
Yeah, I think you got it the wrong way. Yeah, you got it the wrong way. Okay, this is your turn, but next page is my turn.
No.
My turn.
No.
All I'm doing is just talking and just.
No, Matthias.
Okay, we've done this before.
No taking turns. We just do it.
Okay, this page is my turn. This
No.
page is your turn.
Guys, no taking turns.
We've done that last year when we built the Quinjet set.
Nine.
Oh, now you changed the rules. Are you gonna build the entire thing, and I'm just gonna
No.
give you pieces because that's just.
No, I'm not.
Then let me build. This is my my Lego set too, not
Wow.
just yours. This is our Lego set. It's our Lego set.
Then come on, build the rest of the pieces.
All right, now it's my turn.
But no, that's
My turn.
find the pieces to it.
And then you'll build it.
No.
How is that supposed to be building together? We take turns.
Well, I'm waiting for
We
you.
take turns. We take turns.
I'm waiting for you.
All right, hand me that piece. Hand me it. No, are you kidding me?
What
That
piece you
is
need?
the one you're holding. Are you kidding me?
No, but Dace, you build that
Are
part.
you kidding me?
Dace,
Build
you
that part. I'm
build-
gonna build so less on this thing. You're
No,
gonna be
you're
kidding me.
not. Dace, you
See,
just
at
build that.
least agree with me. Okay, really custom. I get. I'm making sure I got it.
How?
At least agree with me on taking turns. Cause
Dace,
wait, D, you skipped, bro.
no, I didn't. Ah! Oh.
I told you this is why I pay attention.
Dace, it's because of the stupid song. I can't
I'm
see.
blocking. I'm blocking
Just block the
that. That
whole
is
thing.
that is killing me.
There we
Right now.
Like, see, they see us more better.
Okay, where's the?
Now you just do. Now you just-
All right, hand it to me.
Just put
No, this is not fair. Not fair.
Now you just do the cloud.
Okay,
But how many-
next page is your turn.
Days, just.
How come you don't like taking turns? Isn't that what we do? We're good at taking turns.
Is this kind of?
It's gonna have fingerprints probably.
No, guys, it's a lady.
Fingerprints on the glass pieces I made.
Calm down.
I am gone.
Yes.
10 minutes already? Oh, good lord. We're only halfway there.
Wait.
How many? Oh, was it just one? Oh! Nope. Give me that. I need to put a sticker there. Number 10. Oh, I can't see. Crap. Oh, there it is.
Okay, guys. Better be right.
I am. I'm very good with stickers. Alright, so.
Which way? Are you sure?
Mark, what is X?
That sounds sounds like probably 6 or 7 or 8.
What is Mark XXV? I only know
I think
1
that's
to
Mark
9.
7.
I only know 1 to 12 of these
That's
weird
Mark
numbers.
7.
No, that's not. Mark 7 is V211. I mean II. You know, like
Wait.
make sure you're doing it right.
Guys, hold on.
Are you sure? Oh, okay. Are you
Wait.
Oh.
Wait.
You messed up. Oh, actually, I think I might have messed up something there.
Yeah. Don't blame everything on me.
I wasn't. No,
You do not.
Are you
guys,
kidding
you
me?
obviously blame everything.
I don't blame everything on you. Oh, where's that? Oh.
Guys, I'm not even done and you're trying to turn around the page. Are you serious?
Sorry, I just realized that. Am I fake laughing right now?
Yes, you are.
And I
You
just
should
literally.
realize it.
Dang it. Oh, here we go. Something to help. Dang, I am sweating as heck right now. What the heck? We gotta open the windows. We need to open a window.
Wait.
I'm burning up. My hair's getting in my eyes.
I think there's
Sort of.
supposed to be nothing in the mail because it doesn't show anything.
Alright, now, can I? Oh, come on, Dee. At least, we're just both gonna take turns. This was your turn. Now it's my turn.
Guys, can you just do it?
Please.
Thank you.
Oh, no, that is my phone. That is my
Why?
phone. And this is such a bad timing.
Did you hang up?
No, I'm going
Who
out
is
to...
it? Is it Ryan?
Yeah, it's my friend. Ah, it's such a bad time. We were supposed to make a video together on his channel, but I'm about to explain to him that, oh, this music! I love this music!
Serious, guys. Nope.
Okay. He's gonna be upset with me, but I'll explain it. Ryan, if Ryan sees this video, I'm sorry I hung up on you. It's just... Yeah, it's just... Very sorry if you're watching this. I mean, it is subscribe to my channel. Alright, wait. I need to make sure you...
It's obviously the right thing.
How many minutes are we? 13? Oh my god. We might have to do a part 1 and part 2.
Oh, come
I'm gonna
on.
open the windows. This
Guys,
is
come on. I
killing me.
want to build the whole thing.
Next spider or something?
Guys, I wish I can do the whole thing though. Why can't we do the whole thing? How
We can still finish this. We just gonna have to do part 1, part 2.
Well, come on. Oh, I see what you mean.
You see, that's what I'm talking about. What do you thought I was gonna do? Like, we pause on this?
Yes.
Is that what,
that's
why would I pause on this? We just started building him. Plus, once we're done, I'm gonna need to call Ryan back. He's gonna be really pissed at me.
No, just say,
Oh,
wait.
God. And he's
Wait.
gonna see this video. He might see this video.
Sias.
Oh, good. Wait. Hello. Making sure you know that.
Dude.
No, I'm talking about that. Okay. Oh, okay. We're good, people. We're good.
Oh, is that right? Yeah. Wait.
Okay.
Right, okay.
How is this me building things? I'm just
No.
giving you pieces to build.
Okay, sorry.
Can I at least have a turn?
Nah.
I'm gonna have one turn. Like, next page.
No,
You won't let me build it.
no, you are.
Alright, let me see. Okay, this page is your
No,
next
guys,
page.
can we just?
Okay, next page is your turn. Your turn. Wait. Yeah, we're good. We got one of the numbers. I sometimes skip pages, and then once I skip pages, and then I realize, wait a minute, this doesn't look right, and I'm like, oh crap, I messed up. And then I tear up my Lego set apart to like make sure I fix it. We're gonna need to stop at this around like 20, I think. The video I made. Oh, okay, so you're that side, my side. Oh, 9. Here we go. Number 9. And what suit mark is this? Mark 5. I know what. Oh, I think I know what Mark 5 is. It's
this one.
No, that is not Mark 5. You are so incorrect. The Mark 5 is the one. Mark 5 is the one in Iron Man 2 where he puts on the suit in the race.
I know that. I'm not that stupid.
How did you even figure that out?
Guys, I only did that to make it funny.
Make it fun. Yeah, I saw that. I know this. Okay, gimme.
No.
Gimme. Not fair. You're like filling the whole entire step. Like, stop. I got. Then I gave me this for being helpful with mine. All right.
It's this one. Right here.
Give me the thing.
Yes.
I open the windows and I am still hot. What is going on? Is summer here already? It's still spring. Well, spring is almost over. We only have like 3 days left till June.
Okay, guys.
Oh, my side, yes.
No.
I build this side. You build that side. Okay. False alarm. We're good. I can build this.
Wait a minute.
Oh, I'm on this now. 3, 2, 1, wait. And your turn. See? You see what I mean? And I am still burning up. We need the freaking fan here. Fan, get over here. Warm up our butts or something.
Wait.
Oh, crap! That was not supposed to happen! Alright. Look at the box. It's just okay. There's nothing wrong, we didn't get anything wrong.
Wait.
I gotta get more sets of these, but not for, a reason, because it's the Hall of Armor. Because I'm gonna collect every single armor that is Lego. No kidding, I will. Oh, like that? Oh, I see what you did there.
And then
I see what you did there.
This is for toonies. Oh, and then oh, wait, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then I'll just do it. Like, wait, is there more pieces to it?
I got this. It's my turn. Where's the blue piece?
No, look, hold on. Where's 2?
Bag number 2.
Oh, here we go.
Careful. And this is better. The fan's warming up my butt. Okay, TMI there.
No, look.
Too much information.
Come on.
But still, I don't care. It's freaking hot in here.
Okay, wait, guys. I want to show you something.
You sure you can do this by memory? I don't want you to mess up.
Wait, this is the Mark. Oh, wait, no, that's the Mark. Wait, this is the Mark.
I don't want you to mess up.
No, I'm trying to. That's cool.
I've been watching. Man, I love Iron Man. It's just I gotta like do a list of from like top best movies of the MCU. Oh, Mark 1. Hang on. Give me the helmet. I gotta put it up.
Wait, guys, that's where you put.
Yeah, that's the Mark 1.
Wait, you're supposed to put a visible head. Yes.
All right, let's just make sure we're not messing it up.
This is when he.
Oh yeah. There's 2. Like there's like 1.
Okay.
Let me put it up front.
Wait, no, wait. You guys like.
No. Let's just. Oh, this is the Mark 1, people. The Mark 1. Ignore his legs. This is the Mark 1. All right. We're gonna do a part 2. since I'll do a 20-minute video. Yeah, part 2 to be continued, everyone. Peace out.